Hello Gemini, welcome to Brutally True Tarot, and this is your reading from 16th of March to 31st of March. So let's check what are the messages for you. Messages for Gemini. Two of Pentacles. Three of Swords. Page of Swords and Knight of Pentacles. And the Hanged Man. Two of Pentacles. Confusion, Gemini. Looks like this person is someone who didn't give proper explanation before leaving this relationship. It's like they ghosted you, and you are not aware what's going on in their mind. It's like you are confused that whether this is the truth or that is the truth. A lot of dilemma, a lot of confusion, and it's like you're not listening from them. And with the Three of Swords, you don't know whether the Three of Swords are real, permanent, or this is something that will get over. You don't understand what their behavior is. They are behaving in a strange way, and possibly you are looking for an answer with this Page of Swords. And also this person is looking at you, Gemini. It's like that this person wants to know that how you feel when they're not there, and what they should do. What is your weakness? They want to know that whether your emotions are your weakness or not. How do you behave when they're not there, and what do you feel? It's like they are trying to make you feel vulnerable. They want to feel important somehow. This person could be someone who is toxic, who is narcissistic, and they feel happy when you crave for them, when you are hurt emotionally, because they kind of feel more connected because of that. This person loves this pain. They like to watch you in this pain, and they like to feel it too. Because with this Knight of Pentacles, Gemini, this person is coming back to you. They are not gone. In fact, that is why they ghosted you, because they want to keep their option of coming back, open. And possibly they want to offer something. And you can expect that all out of nowhere, all of a sudden this person comes and says something that I couldn't explain my things, this had happened, that had happened, and now I'm here with this offer, accept the Pentacle. It's like they are behaving in a way that nothing had happened in the past, and it is nothing. They expect that you forget everything. With the card of the Hanged Man, I see that this person is being practical. This person is playing mind games. But does it matter, Gemini? No, because I see that you are smart enough to know their game. Somehow you feel like that this person wants to keep you on tow. Yes, this person wants to keep you on tow, because they want you to know that they cannot be taken for granted. You will have to put constant effort to keep them happy, and it's like that is what they enjoy. They are someone who look for constant thrill. They don't like to settle down. They get bored of things easily, and they like this game of coming in and going out. They don't care about what you're going through, and they don't care about anyone's emotion. It's not only you, but I don't think that this person really cares about anyone's emotion, whether they're their friends, whether they're their family members, or whether it's up to you. All they want is attention. At least they are behaving in this way for this period of time. However, this is a general reading, Gemini. This is not going to resonate for all, and the energy could be reversed as well. And you can check your moon and rising sign as well. So let's go ahead and check some more messages for you. The Hierophant, Temperance, Page of Wands, Death, and Seven of Wands in reverse. So with the cards of the Hierophant, this person feels like they can control people, they can make them do whatever they want. If you see carefully this card, this person has kept this person in their pocket, and they feel like that they can use this person the way they like. So possibly they are using your emotions. They want to make you feel that you are emotionally vulnerable, and they are your need. They want to make you feel that they are indispensable for your existence, like you need them for everything and anyhow. So possibly with the card of the Temperance, changes are coming, and you are going through a rough phase of your relationship, but the truth is that the universe is bringing the truth out in front of you. It's helping you to decide what you want for yourself, and the universe is exposing the true face of this person. However, it all depends upon you, Gemini, because this person will be back with this Knight of Pentacles and with this Page of Wands. It looks like that you are dedicated towards this person. You are making every effort to make it work. Possibly you are trying to figure out what they're thinking about with this Page of Swords, and it's like they know that you will do anything for them. But with the card of the Death, Gemini, something unexpected might happen. It's like you are craving for them, you are looking for them, you want them, you are praying for them. But when they're back with this Knight of Pentacles, you see something, they say something, and you quickly realize that yes, this was a game. This was a trap. They were trying to do something, and immediately you are refusing the Pentacles. It's like you're choosing to end this relationship, or it's like you want to give them a lesson that you too can stand for yourself. You are not that weak, and you can end it on your part. For the Seven of Wands in reverse, looks like that this person is defenseless now. They don't know what to say, what not to, because as I said, that you are wise enough. So no matter how strong your emotions are, Gemini, you are still aware of what you should do. And with the Seven of Wands in reverse, this person feels helpless, they feel defenseless, and they don't know what to say, what explanations to give, and how to convince you about everything. It's like they're playing with fire. Okay, they thought that your emotions can be their weapon, and they used it against you. They felt like that it will bring them more importance, but it has gone wrong. They are playing with the fire. With this Knight of Pentacles, you could be dealing with an earth sign or possibly an air sign. However, of course, it's a general reading, so that is not that important. So let's take an oracle message for you, Gemini. Messages for Gemini. Mary Magdalene, Teacher awakens. You have something important to share. Follow the inner call. Do not let anything stop you. So here the oracle is telling you that you have something important to share. You need to speak up. You need to express what you're feeling. If you feel like you're getting ignored, you're being ghosted, or they're not giving you proper explanation, they are doing it without a reason, you need to face them. You need to tell them what you feel like and follow the inner call. Just do what your heart tells you to do. You need not listen to other people. Do not let anything stop you. So no matter what others are telling you, behave in a way that you want to behave in. Possibly you should say things that you feel like saying. Advices of others are not that important, and you need not listen to anyone in this regard. So this was the reading. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.